The crypto markets are exploding. There's no other way to put it. To see Solana at $200+ today makes me a very, very happy man. I understand it's not an all-time high just yet, and it's definitely not really an inflation-adjusted all-time high. However, I think it does look very, very exciting, and I think we can get big continuation for Solana over here, ladies and gents. Of course, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe to stay in the know of all the things around crypto. If you're looking to amplify your crypto gains, hit the notification bell too. So let's talk about Solana. Very recently, we were talking about Solana, how it was getting rejected at $180, but it did have a few wild attempts at making that breakthrough, and it did have a wonderful, wonderful impulse from $160 region up to this $206 region. So we're getting very close to all-time high territory for Solana, which is $210. We're not far away, and I do personally think the next leg up for Sol will be around $255. Call me crazy, but I think it is absolutely possible just working off a Fibonacci extension. But the next 2618 golden pocket would actually be 228, so we do also have the area to consider as well for a more short-term play. Now, personally, long-term, Solana, $250 to $300 shouldn't really be a problem at all, I think. Also, big congrats, by the way, to all the traders in my group down below. If you're looking to be part of this group to get alpha calls, whether it's memes, whether it's, leverage and future trading, you can check out the WAP store or Jacob's Crypto Clan. Down below, we've got about 3 or 4 Crypto Legend memberships available. If you do want to get this monthly membership, you can also use the WAP store as an alternative if you prefer this platform, but Patreon's always a good way to go. So I'll leave a link down below to Patreon if you do want to start achieving time, location, and financial freedom and start earning more crypto, so to speak. Now let's flip back to Solana, less talking about me and more about what matters. Solana itself is looking extremely hot. It's just basically entered the overbought territory on the RSI. But we can actually see historically, Solana does like to also blow up to the 80 plus on the relative strength index. So in my opinion, while the market is booming and the extreme greed is rushing in and we're becoming more liquid, I think there's still room up here for Solana. I think it's still got space to also get back to this area, which tells me Solana potentially is not done pumping yet. And this is just the beginning, especially when we look at the weekly relative strength index over here. We're only sitting at 63 for Solana, and there's still room to the upside. We can still see Solana get to 85 on the RSI, and by the time it does that, Solana could even be $400 or something absolutely insane. So it's been a wild, wild month here for Solana. It started at $141, and now it's $206. I think a lot of this is also to do with meme coins, in the sense that, the Solana chain has seen on a 7-day change a 20% plus increase on TVL, on 1 month about 30%, matching Ethereum. But we can really start to see these chains are growing more and more. But Solana up there with, a 7 billion TVL, I think it is. Just looking at the data right here, I can't actually see the TVL on this chart properly. But, there's much more upside potential for Solana than Ethereum, in my opinion. And it's just a better ecosystem. It's faster, it's more scalable, transactions go through in a flash. Bitcoin itself is just sitting below $80,000. This is going to be absolutely insane when Bitcoin hits 80K. That's history made once again. I think a lot of people are getting excited. A lot of people have been moving away from the stock markets and moving their positions into cryptocurrency as it is beginning to now wake up. Of course, if you're looking to buy crypto from wherever you are, you can use Blowfin, a link I've got down below. And if you sign up with Blowfin, you'll get some trading rewards. You can use leverage here on this exchange. There's no KYC, and it's globally accessible. You guys might also remember that recently I was talking about movement missions meme coins. According to Murad over here, one of the top influences on meme coins, movement missions are the biggest and hottest thing right now. In addition to all the blue chip coins that are going wild out there. Well, today I've got a Solana coin to share with you. It's called No Man's Land. And this is a true fully doxed mission where Dan Eggington is moving out to do 6 incredible missions. His first one is going to go out to the Amazon rainforest on the 15th of November in 5 days, where he's going to go through the favelas. He's going to do some charity work. They're going to go through notorious gang regions, and they're going to go through the Darien Gap. Have you heard of the Darien Gap? So they're making content all around this. It's absolutely worth checking out this meme coin, which is already trading. It's a movement meme coin, by the way, so it is on Solana. It's only got a $4.1 million market cap, and I do personally think this meme coin can do a 10 to 100x from here, especially with its narrative. It's the only narrative in the crypto space where you have real life people doing real life things. It's fully doxed. It's a Solana gem with a super, super cool roadmap. Then it moves on into the Arctic. The adventure into the Arctic, which will be happening. Then you've got adventure into the sands, which they're going to Morocco. And then you've got the perilous trek through the mountains of Pakistan. Then you have Sichuan here, which is, I think, somewhere in, I don't even know where that is, I'm not even going to pretend. But then you've got the most harsh mission itself. It's going to walk 2,000 miles through Siberia in sub-60-degree temperatures. Tokenomically, you've got 0% taxes, 1 billion on the supply, the liquidity is fully locked, and the contract is renounced. So this is definitely one of those hot coins I'd say that is worth checking out if you are new in the crypto space and you want to find a low market cap option that I really perceive can move up another 20% in the next few days or so. This coin is going to demonstrate real growth. It's only been live for a few days, had an incredible launch, so incredible in fact that it was just too much for people to handle. There was too much selling from non-committers, but I think this is where we really start to see the trade, the consolidation, and the movement to the upside. So worth checking out, link down below. Of course, the link is down below as well for the Patreon. So if you do want to become a patron, get trading signals, spot, leverage, future signals, and early alpha around meme coins, and just the hot things coming up in the markets is certainly worth having a little look at. And of course, I'll leave a no man's link down below where you can follow the Twitter. We can have a look at the website if you want to and see what's really going on. So Solana itself, $206, it's moving up. We've got Bitcoin creeping basically to 80,000. I think we'll probably see it happen whilst making this video. If we wanted to, we could quickly just check out Bitcoin right now, just in case it is going to get to $8,000 because it's so freaking close. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, that is insane. I've not even checked these charts for Bitcoin. I've just looked at Solana today, but look at that weekly candle. That is wild, guys. We're about to watch Bitcoin maybe hit $80,000. $8,000 is insane. Congratulations to anyone in the crypto space. Manifest that success. This is the right place to be. And of course, stick around because in the bear markets, we will have in my Discord channel some of the best strategy that you can deploy to accumulate cryptocurrency in the crypto markets. And that's where you really start to make generational wealth. It is the bear market condition. Do remember that. But bull markets is also very fun, and where lots of altcoins, memes, lower cap gems start to really show their potential. So see you soon. Bye for now. Stay crypto safe.